saying that for some reason.
Yeah, they said, what? I don't want Cox, no way.
Oh, you don't?
AT&T.
Oh, okay.
Is Cox Cable the only one that's available at your house, or? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was Cox or Satellite.
'Cause
Okay, that makes more sense then.
the home inspector said that there was no cable hookup on the house. So that's what it was, you'd have to put it in, but that's what they probably do it for free, because why not? You're trying to pay.
Yeah, I'm fairly sure AT&T's on the new version.
Just over and over you, because it's the final countdown here, so it's all documented, you know?
Yep.
I like watching this too.
You recall about where the problems were?
Like 30 feet, you said like right where that front tree is.
So right here we got a space in 2 sections of pipe.
Alright.
See that gap right there.
Yes, yeah.
So the way that pipe is set up like this is the way it would normally be. This one is kind of like this. So water will be coming in and kind of going down. Could be a bit of an issue. When we see it the opposite way where the further pipe is up, that's where it's always a major problem.
And that's what's right there.
Same sort of thing right there too. See, this one looks like it could be a bit of an issue because it looks like this is the bottom of the pipe right here. So you got that lip right there. Yep. See right here. If there was an obstruction in it before, I would say it's gone now. I don't. Do you recall? Was it root intrusions, roots growing in, or
It
anything
was
like that?
just like, it was, I mean, dark, there was a block in, he literally just could not get through. I mean, he was going, it was just stuck there.
From the way it looks, I wouldn't be at all surprised if it was roots growing in, because when you have the pipes that start to come apart like that, it's a prime place for roots to come in at.
He said, that's what I was like specifically asked, he said, hide it out its roots because I can get the camera through there almost all the time with his roots. But
You can even see some spots too.
you can see, I mean,